We got to do a little troubleshooting on this XR100 today. The last couple times when I ride this, when we go up a real steep hill climb, even if it's only 10 or 20 feet long, the bike will cut out. Or if you pull a monster wheelie, the bike will cut out and die. My first guess is float height. Start with this Phillips screwdriver right here. And pull this boot off. Pair of needle nose. See if you can get this fuel line disconnected off the back. Oh, turn the gas off. Two 10mm nuts on the front of the carburetor. And you can take the slide out. Ooh. Probably should have drained that. A 98 main jet and an unmarked idle jet. I don't like finding these little jets that aren't marked. I'll look this up and see if I can find a better jet. Let's pull the spark plug out and see how it's been running. Oh, there's a good shot. Yeah, if you don't mind, go in the comments and tell me what you think of this. I think it's running lean. So the stock idle jet was a 35, and I got this piece of garbage that doesn't have any markings on it. The stock main jet was a 95, and this one's a 98, so I like that. I bet this idle jet was what was causing me most of my problems. Closest I have is a 38, so I'm not going to adjust the float on this go around. Since I found that jet that didn't have any markings, I don't like that. Also, this O-ring here doesn't look great. That could have been making it run lean. So I'll change those two things, and then I'll try it again. If it still cuts out on me, then I'll come back in and check the float height. It looks pretty good to me. If you're going to use a knockoff carburetor off eBay, one of those $20 ones, the carburetor bodies, in my experience, are fine, but the jets, you need to change the jets out and the needle in the slide. This is exciting. Let's put it back together. These carburetors have to be one of the easiest to get in and out. You want to do jetting on a DRZ400? Forget it. You're hours worth of work to get that carburetor in and out. I'll never work on one of those again. The XR100 is just a great machine. I'm going to go ahead and put a brand new spark plug in here so we can get a good idea of the jetting. I am happy to report that this is fixed. This was a weird solution to a problem. I don't really understand how running lean, having a small jet in there, could make it cut out so crisp and hard that it would cut out really, really suddenly on me when I would pull wheelies like that. If you guys have any thoughts, definitely comment down below. We just rode for about an hour. Check this spark plug. Yeah, that's looking a lot better. It's chocolatey brown. I'm gonna go hose this off and put it away.